A QR code for your Facebook business page is a two-dimensional barcode that contains your page's URL. When someone scans it with their smartphone, they're instantly directed to your Facebook page. Think of QR codes as a bridge connecting your offline marketing efforts to your online presence. Whether it's on business cards, flyers, or storefront displays, QR codes seamlessly guide customers from the physical world to your digital Facebook page. For reliable scanning, QR codes need specific technical requirements. The minimum size should be 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, with at least a 40% contrast ratio between the foreground and background. QR codes also include built-in error correction, making them functional even if partially damaged. QR codes offer various customization options to match your brand. You can integrate your logo in the center, adjust color schemes, and choose different design elements while maintaining scannability. The Facebook logo integration is particularly popular for business pages. You can generate QR codes through Facebook's native tools in the Meta Business Suite or use third-party generators for more customization options. The Meta Business Suite provides centralized QR code management across all Meta platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Recent trends show a significant increase in QR code usage, with a 94% year-over-year growth in interactions. Contactless marketing has become particularly important, with 89% of QR code scans occurring on mobile devices. This makes QR codes an essential tool for modern business marketing strategies. There are two main ways to generate a QR code for your Facebook business page. You can use Facebook Business Manager's built-in tools or choose from various third-party QR code generators that offer more customization options. Once you've chosen your generator, input your Facebook business page URL and customize the design. You can modify colors, add your logo, change the pattern style, and select different frame options to match your brand identity. Before implementing your QR code, thorough testing is crucial. Test the code across multiple devices and different QR scanning apps to ensure it works reliably. Check scanning from various distances and lighting conditions. Download your QR code in the appropriate format. PNG is ideal for digital use and basic printing, while SVG provides scalability for large format printing. For professional printing, consider PDF or EPS formats at 300 dpi resolution. For successful implementation, include a clear call to action explaining what users will find when they scan. Offer exclusive content or promotions to provide immediate value. Place QR codes strategically where users have time and motivation to scan them. Track your QR code's performance through analytics to understand user engagement. Monitor scan rates, user locations, and device types. Facebook page QR codes show 23% higher engagement than traditional links, making them a cost-effective tool for driving traffic.